channel Let's Vlog with Disha, and today is Saturday और हम जा रहे हैं Pet Century. So it's Piyadi's birthday. She's my sister and she wanted to go to Pet Century. She is in love with pets and that was her birthday wish. तो हम वो पूरी करने जा रहे हैं and eventually the ride is pretty so good. Like it's just so good and it is one type of long drive as well. So yeah, I'm gonna take you with me and you can enjoy the view right now. वहाँ जाके हम पूरा रिकॉर्ड करेंगे but at the moment I guess we should enjoy the drive. So I'll attach the videos and you can see how beautiful the weather in Bangalore looks like. तो हम पेट सेंचुरी पहुंच चुके हैं एंड द व्यू क्वाइट लुक्स लाइक दिस. इट्स क्वाइट प्रिटी एक्चुअली एंड अब हम एंटर करने वाले हैं. सो आई एम गोना टेक यू अलोंग एंड या लेट्स गो. इट्स क्वाइट अ चिली वेदर इट इज. यू कैन सी. नाइस. सो वी आर एंटरिंग राइट नाउ एंड I'm gonna take you along. Guys, तो आप देख सकते हैं this is Prani, a pet sanctuary outside Bangalore. थोड़ा दूर है but it's quite nice. That's a ticket counter where you have to book your tickets. It's like 400 per person. And yeah, it's quite pretty. Look at this reptile. A little bit scary it is. Hi. She's finally happy. How do you feel? Feeling good, yaar.
ठीक है हाय कर रहा हाय कर
सोना अभी है. Yeah, look at that bird. उसको शायद कुछ हुआ है. There's a cute cafeteria over here and I have ordered this. तो यहाँ पे कुछ ऑप्शन है नहीं ज़्यादा. So this is the cafeteria where we're gonna be. It's Prani. So guys, this is the food यहाँ का and actually it's quite nice because taste उसका अच्छा है and they have served in the wooden plates, so it's quite nice. We have ordered veg pulao, paneer manchurian, fruit bowl and this is the cold coffee. And you can see how they have served. It's all in wooden. The food is quite good here guys. I mean यहाँ के हिसाब से तो it's best. don't know if I'm audible enough, but look at the pets. How cute are they? Oh my god. Actually cute. The crowd is quite nice. It's good over here. And let's see what's ahead. You can see the crowd. So they're actually telling what it is about and how everything is over here. Like the whole story behind this thing. I'm gonna take you here. You can see it's quite beautiful. And the weather. The weather is also quite good, and it's quite chilly, you know. If you are somewhere near Bangalore or in Bangalore, you should probably come here and spend your weekend. Spend your weekend like this. It's quite nice because it's all pets over here, and this video is especially for the pet lovers. They're gonna definitely enjoy it over here. Wow. And the sun rays. Oh my god, it's just so beautiful. So sorry, I keep on showing you the skies, but it's so beautiful. I can't stop adoring them. Only bad.
ಸನ್ಶೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು. 150 ವರ್ಷ ಬದುಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಏಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 12 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೊಬ್ರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 7.5 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. 50 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ 12 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ.
What was that experience? Oh my god. Like I was literally holding the birds. Oh my god. Oh, that was so cute too. Now I'm moving forward to see other animals or other pets. Perhaps I can see this over here. I don't know. Oh, there are these cute. What? They call it Besra. I mean, that's something new. I'll 110% recommend you, if you ever come to Bangalore, do not miss out this place. It's just so lovely. At least if you're a pet lover, then you're coming over here. There's no. Oh, that's so sweet. How like alive do I feel right now, and so active. Actually, I'm quite enjoying the vibe over here because it's all covered with animals. It's quite lovely. And yeah, let me take you what's ahead. Let's explore more. Okay, so here you can see this. We have washrooms over there. They have quite a good facilities, and you can always look forward to come over here. There's this a little bit of hand washing place.
They can slide to the water. That is the reason they call it slider terrapins. Does anyone know if you know what is the difference between tortoise, turtles and terrapins? No. No?
I think because of large And it's small like that, I guess.
One is size also is there, but sorry, lost. Yeah, I'll tell you, the tortoise are completely land. They have elephant-like legs. They cannot swim in the water. But turtles, they have flippers, and they help in swim in the water. But the terrapins, you can see their legs. Yeah, you can see in the back. They have webbed feet along with the claws. That is the reason they can also walk in the land as well as swim in the water. The one here is from North America. They can live up to 30 to 35 years. So, if I do this, can they feel? The shell is hard, right? Can they feel my touch? Yeah, they do feel. The shell is part of their body that cannot be separated, and they have all the nerve endings beneath the shell. And that is the reason they can feel my touch, and also if I tap, they can feel the pain. So you should never do that.
Okay guys,
Oh, that's hard. Welcome back again. So it's almost done. We have seen all of the animals, and now we are just heading home. Maybe we're gonna go to some other place and have some lunch or a little bit of brunch. And yeah, that was it. It was pretty good. And if you wanna come here, I'll just share you the description below. And I think it's lovely. You're gonna enjoy a lot. You can come with your friends or even your family, or if you have a little babies at your home, so you can probably come with them as well. Yeah, so we're gonna end this video, not exactly end this video, but I'll take you. So we are leaving from this place, and I'll show you for the one last time so that you can have a view. How is it? This is how it looks. And then from here is the way, and you can actually go. So here we go. So now we are outside the pet sanctuary. It was lovely. I had a great experience, and now I'm heading to the car. The view is absolutely amazing. Just look at it. You can see the mountain over here, right? It's lovely. I'll take you what else happens throughout. I've reached my car, and let's go. Bye. We're gonna head for the lunch right now, and I'm not that hungry, but हम रुके हुए हैं. We are on the highway, and we have parked in front of a restaurant. It's pretty cute, so I'm gonna go and have lunch now, and let me take you to the restaurant. इतनी भूखी है, but still, you know. Guys, so हम अभी रेस्टोरेंट में हैं. I mean the one that I told you in the highway. And right now I'm gonna have this dosa. I love dosas. First of all, quite excited because I'm too tired right now. Because it was self-service, तो हमें खुद ही जाके लाके खाना था. Quite nice.
ನಮಗೆ ಟೈಮೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಸಂಡೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು 8 to 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಐದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಯಾವ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರು ವಾಪಸ್
The view is pretty. Nice. So we have almost reached to the end of our vlog. हमारा lunch हो गया था and we are just heading home now. It was a really good day at the pet sanctuary and even the long drive and everything. A grateful Saturday indeed. And I hope you enjoyed it too because I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's also raining right now. It's pretty nice, the view. So yes, I hope you enjoyed it. And for more such vlogs and for more such videos, do subscribe, like and share my channel. I'll come up with more vlogs like yes. And let me know in comments which part do you like the most. Okay, I'll see you in my next vlog now. Keep watching. Let's rock with the show.